Top story at 5 counties across Colorado just transitioned from red on the COVID threat dial to a less restrictive orange status. But the switch happened before meeting the required data points. Bill Folsom looking into this and found it's something that we don't want to take for granted. He's live on the Springs West side tonight. Bill.
Yeah, we were able to speak one-on-one with El Paso County's medical director today, and she says we're seeing the change because we've had numbers going down significantly for 2 weeks. But with that, there is a comparison to taking a significant hike, like going up the incline. If you talk to anyone who's done that, they will tell you that you reach a summit and then you realize the end goal, well, you're not there yet. There's another summit to get to, although it's in sight. So you have to still keep climbing to reach it. Well, that's the comparison. You have to keep your focus and keep pushing forward. An okay from Colorado state leaders for counties to move from red to orange level on the COVID-19 dial.
I would say let's go ahead and say we made it to orange. Let's strive for yellow.
Encouragement from El Paso County Public Health Medical Director Dr. Robin Johnson. It comes with explanation and caution about other possibilities. A look at the COVID-19 incident data in El Paso County over the last month shows a steep drop in cases. Notice it's not to the red dotted line, technically the transition point between red and orange, but the strong trend influenced the early move. Also notice the past week, the decline is starting toward flat.
We really have to pay attention that it could be that we're beginning to plateau at a higher level than we would want to be at. And so it's imperative that we stay the course.
So maintain prevention measures, and now the start of vaccinations adds another layer of help. Only Dr. Johnson says these first days of immunization are like getting a few drops of water after a long time in the desert.
We really have to embrace that this is a process that is going to start slow and gain momentum, and it's heralding that the rains are coming.
A lot of 70-plus citizens are anxious for the vaccine arrival. They want it after the governor announced they are eligible. Johnson asked seniors to hold on another week or two. El Paso County is like Pueblo and most other Colorado counties. So far, there are limited doses, and those are going to frontline healthcare workers.
Now that we're 3 weeks, we're starting not only to try to keep the momentum of getting people their first vaccine, but we're having to start that second dose for the people that we vaccinated 3 weeks ago.
And we heard from another viewer today. They are trying to get a dose for their family member who is over the age of 80 and are being unsuccessful. We just told you about them needing more doses to do that. Dr. Johnson says they also have to get healthcare workers in place and locations to distribute that. So for people looking for it, you have not missed out. You're not doing nothing wrong. You just need to pay attention. There will be announcements when those are available. Watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Bill Folsom, News 5.